These ornaments have the personal touch because instead of the usual factory-made generic decorations, we're looking to Renee Smith for the handmade designs under her brainchild, Renee Natalia. Good morning, Renee. Welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time.
Thank you.
First of all, what inspired the line, Renee Natalia?
One, I've always wanted to go into fashion. I've always wanted to make stuff because I believe that I'm very talented and artistic. And so I started initially in 2015 with crocheted clothing and accessories.
Okay.
And I found that the market was a bit saturated, as well as having the challenge as a solo entrepreneur to make all the items in the quantity that was needed to actually have a successful business. So earlier this year, it came to me that I always wanted to do home design as I was decorating my own apartment. So I started with a bit of macrame, and I love plants. So a lot of these are from my garden.
Okay.
Right. And so I started with the plant hangers, moved from the plant hangers to start making wall hangings, dream catchers, and then the Christmas ornaments. And so
And so we're here today.
And yes, we're
All
here
right,
today.
so let's start with can we walk over? I'm hoping we can. Come, Ren. So these are the dream catchers.
Yes.
Follow me.
Yes.
These are the dream catchers.
Yes, so this is how it started. Just having a little bit of tassels here and there. Some were mixed materials. I would incorporate ribbons and different beads. And then I did the plant hangers.
So we walk behind it so that we don't. Yeah. Me know. Hush.
So we did the plant hangers so that we had a bit of driftwood so that we're able to bring in the space. And what I was able to do as the maker was to make each one so that it can accommodate a bigger pot. So what you see here is that this is a small pot, but this size pot could fit in it as well. So for the larger pot.
So it expands. So you can. So with one size fits all kind of thing.
Kind of have, yes.
Oh,
Yes.
I like it because sometimes, particularly for persons who have apartments,
Yes.
And love plants, there may not be enough space to put them up. And then when you have these hanging, it's cute. Cute wins all the time.
Yeah.
And then you can put your plants in. So I love it. And you can get different colors.
Exactly. And I do a lot of plant hangers in white, in natural cotton. I use different types of rope as well, because what I want to give the consumer is not only a beautiful product, not that it's just cute, but I want to give them quality. So I use different types of rope to always make sure that they can get what they want. If they want something smaller, but every single one of them is sturdy. Every single one of them is 100% cotton.
All right, so talk to me about the care as well, because if it's plants, it's outdoors, it's fighting the elements. So how durable?
Not necessarily. What I do as I offer these plant hangers, I give the option of buying the plants and the pots. So you notice I have poinsettias here, which can survive inside, especially during the Christmas season. This is a Sansevieria plant. It can stay inside as long as it gets a little bit of light and a little water. This is another plant. This is probably best outdoors. Impatiens, you see over there, that's best outdoors. So what I do is
you give me everything.
I give you everything. It's
the plant,
one-stop
the pot,
shop.
and the hanger at the same time.
Exactly.
And then the hangers, I'm guessing if dirt and other things, I can wash them.
Yes, you can wash them. Everything is washable and it won't get damaged unless actually you burn it or cut it. Hopefully you won't do that.
So either of the two.
Exactly.
Right.
And what I give as well is not just a plant pot, but a decorative pot. So when you're watering your plants, caring for them, you don't necessarily have to get the plant hanger dirty if you don't want to take it out of the hanger while you're actually doing that.
It's a great gift.
It is. They have been some of our best sellers this season. Those
I can imagine.
Yes, those and the macrame ornaments.
Because what I like, you can hang them up on the grill and because with the hook, it comes out. And Renee, you're going with things.
Thank
on
you.
this table here, talk to me about the variety that we have, because it's Christmas.
Yes.
So you brought some poinsettias, red.
Yes. And this yellow one that I'm so in love with.
Talk to me about the yellow. Because when I start coming, I say, poinsettia yellow. And Jody said, Data, of course, poinsettias are yellow.
Yeah, and I do have a pink one, but there's a little damage, so I opted not to bring that one. Okay. So what I've been doing is offering, my customers just a little bit of variety this season. I want to give them the option of getting different plants, and even not for the season, but for the Sansevieria, for example, that's all year round and it grows pretty quickly.
It's all year round?
This one is all year round, but this is all year round as well. It's just that it's green for the rest of the year.
You know what I like about this? This look like it's not high maintenance.
It's not.
I live in Portmore.
It's from the cactus family thing.
Yeah. Something that in my water, it's Sunday, I don't have to look back till next week Sunday.
Yeah, what you do is what I recommend is that if the top of the soil is dry, that's the time to water. Just a little bit, not to oversaturate it, just a little bit of water to keep it going.
Does it get bigger?
everything gets bigger because it's all alive and it's growing.
Yeah.
So they will continue to grow. So when you buy it now, it's not just for this Christmas. It will last you until
I
next
like
year.
this. What's this?
This is one of the air plants. It's one that we find very popular in Jamaica. It actually
Yeah.
grows wild mostly, but it's very beautiful to keep in the home as well as to plant outside in a garden, which that's where I mostly keep it.
Nice colors. Is this the color that it always has?
Yes, yes, and there are a few other varieties as well. That's green and white, and I think yellow and white.
Awesome. Let's pop quickly over to the Christmas. I'm coming back to the bag. I want to go to the Christmas tree before we run out of time. So you do the ornaments.
I do. So what I do is, because I can crochet as well, I crocheted some of the snowflakes. I have those available, red, I think white, gold. I do the macrame ornaments as well. So what you find with this is that it's a very quality cotton. So I bring that into the space. Because with Renee Natalia, what I'm hoping to do is bring more nature into the space. So when you have such an ornament, you can reuse it from year to year. It won't break. You know, you can wash it. I have a piece like this one, for example, on driftwood. So you're able to get mixed materials, but everything is done with cotton.
Cost effective. Because
Yes, it
rather than, you know, you have to worry when you're taking them up, oh, this is going to break. And you tell the kids, no, run near the tree. You're not going to break up the tree. They can hit the tree. That's fine.
They
the cotton
can.
won't break.
Exactly. And what you find as well to Delia is that not only will it not break, but it's a great keepsake. So a lot of persons this season have been buying from me to actually give to persons overseas.
That's nice.
Because it's great to have something from Jamaica.
Because that you can use, and you can put your initials on it too. Because sometimes people like to do that. They put up a special ornament for family members who may no longer be with them, or something that represents a part of a family tree. So the Christmas tree has more meaning, you know? And this is a nice way.
And it can be customized, you're right.
And if you, no, the greatest ornament this holiday, ladies, is the bag that you're going to be walking around with.
Well, the bag is not for sale. What's for sale?
The bag is not for sale?
No, it's
Lord
what's
Renee,
on the bag.
You know how much people got forgot buy that bag there a
I
while ago?
know. You know
Okay.
why? Because I picked this up in Guyana in my recent travels.
Okay.
And it's
So
such a
what is
beautiful
for
bag.
sale?
But I did these accessories, these bag charms that we can use on
Okay.
the bag. I did them in a few different colors. This one is being a little stubborn to come off, but I did this, for example. So this again is macrame.
Okay.
Right, just a series of knots, a bit of an intricate design, but they're available in different colors. This was white, the black, the beige, the gray. Those sell very
So if
quickly.
I go out and I say, I want something I can match that, something I may have on, you know.
Exactly.
I can just pop a little macrame thing.
Yes, and you can also use it as a keychain. So what a lot of persons have been using it for is to just use it as a keychain so the keys won't get lost. One lady said I saved her because her keys were always getting lost, and
Me
know
would
she
have
had
lost the key
something
and the macrame.
beautiful to wear. The earrings and hair accessories are coming daily. They are coming. So what you find with macrame, the technique, and even the crochet that I do, is that it's very versatile. Though it's an old art, I've tried to put a modern spin on it. So it's not just, you know, what you'd used to see your
Yeah.
grandmother or great-grandmother wearing.
Yeah.
Right. So
It
now
works.
with bringing it into smaller spaces, bringing it into the home, making accessories that you use for your car, your bag, your keychains, it's all about just bringing a little
A
piece
bit
of
together.
yes,
Wonderful,
nature, a
girl.
bit of
Thank
cotton
you
with
so
you.
much. So make sure you check her out at by Renee Natalia. That's her Instagram handle, and you can email her by Renee Natalia at gmail.com or call her 876-437-0980. Thank you, Renee.
Thank
Christmas
you,
is
Delia.
coming, and post-Christmas too. So make sure I give her a shout. All right, more on Smile. I don't know why Prince refused. Prince coming like him no want it to look good. More on Smile after the break.